In this video, I will be showing you how to add music to photo in Canva. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, you are going to select the purpose that you're creating your photo or design for. So let's say for example, we are creating it for an Instagram story. So we will select Instagram story. After you have done that, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can select uploads. After selecting uploads, you could tap on upload file, and from there you could upload the photo that you would like to add to your design. Or you can go over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on design, and from there you can see different templates that you can use, as you can see right here. But let's say for example, I would like to use this photo. All I would need to do is select the photo, then from here I could tap on the three dots and tap on set image as background. Now that I've added the image, to add music to it, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you could tap on uploads, and from there you could tap on upload file and you could upload an audio track, as you can see right here. Or you can select elements. After selecting elements, you can type in the type of music that you would want, and after typing in the type of music, let's say for example birthday music, from there you could tap on audio. After selecting audio, you can see different tracks that you can add. Once you have found a track that you like, you can simply select it. After you have selected the track, you can see that it has been added right here. Now that we have added a track to our photo, all you'll need to do is tap on share in the top right hand corner, then select download, and you're going to download it as an MP4 video. Then you're going to tap on download right here. Another thing that you could also do before downloading it, you could select the page, and then from there you could tap on animate. And if you wanted to add some form of animation, if you have more than one image, you could do that. You could add some form of animation, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.